Forget MP before Monko. I beg you. I don't need numbers. MP before Monko. Please, I am begging you. Binyamidi pamucho. MP before more TikTok. Ewa ha Monko. MP before more YouTube. Mr. Monko. MP before more Facebook. Mr. Monko nenka Ghana for. Na mumo Jimmy Dodo. Please, I beg you. Leave the platform and leave Ghanaians.
Where you mind don't crumble.
Say Ofori Bejin Kwan say Ewa Tajuswa Bejin Kwan. Thank you very much for staying. Mamishe Omoshe Minyumbre na menka hello enchre. Ewiase afanyina nipa omajiatum omajipene say real human beings who want to watch me tonight. I can see Mabel watching me from Ghana. I can also see Wealthy Nature watching me from Ghana. Also, Aisha Bulai is watching me from Ghana. Also, I can see Okatakyie watching me from Ghana. Maybe I'll show me free catch them and who be free because I can see Sin Ninsu watching me from Vietnam, and then Pu Sin Noa watching me from Philippines, and then Ku Nin Sin also watching me from Vietnam. And Bonfa Shwa, and so I shall be free Vietnam. Into Vietnam for film, and Ghana for so every film. Into Bonfa Shwa, and so shall be free Vietnam. Also, Vietnam ton Bonfa Shwa, also Ewaha. And I can see Michael watching me tonight. I can also see on Facebook, Fatih Ahmed is watching me from Ghana. Baby, I'll show me free. I am now the account, and we can trace you. Very, very important for you to also be acknowledged on this platform. What we are doing here is we are trying to acknowledge real human beings. We are not acknowledging fake views. So these are very important things, especially Ghana for moto about Ghana. Mona Ghana the ekoso no efa mo ho eni ntina bebre mabaha enti o ha ma me hu baby kasa free baby I'll share me free, then I can let people know where you are actually watching me from, where you are actually coming from. Maybe I'll tell you, share me US, Ghana. Oh, it's good because this is an authentic platform with real people, and that is something that we need to stick to. Credibility is very important, and so say credibility no na akoya atrofo nyoma, everything is fake, and then we have matured to understand the say credibility is very important. Baby, I'll show me free. Oh, be show me free Canada. Thank you very much from Canada. I used to free Dubai. Oh, the names are it's too fast right now. This is the real. See, this is real. You can see from my screen. This YouTube, you see how it's running? Yeah, it's running so quick. These are real people texting. As you can see on YouTube, you can see real people texting. So it's moving. It's so difficult to basically see who is, texting. Very, very important. Yamamu who said what we are doing here is for Ghanaians and real Ghanaians. Very, very important. It's not because mashada, but it is real. Real people are taking. Don't get angry. To me, I'm both. Yeah, that's how it works. And you see, when you watch on my iPad too, you can see that's the Facebook side. You can see real people also commenting on this side. So these are real people with real names, with pictures. You can go and check them out on Facebook. Very, very important because Bibintina Sebio, you'll see whom will be free. Okay, I can also see too many people. Let me go here. Hi, slow kakra. Facebook, I can see Daniel Dakon, and so Kofi Emmanuel Kumasa is watching me. Lexus Nyinakun is also live here. On TikTok Forson, I have plenty of them. They are going through it, TikTok Forson, they are here. They are real people. These are real human beings. Yes. In fact, Obetma spend it, and me sure said. So per se unya 50,000 viewers, but must spend $500. A bit to me. I think say from the research, omo pompino, and unya $200-300 and a bit to my 15,000. And so and also on TikTok, and I can see Kevin. I can also see Nunu. I can see Big Slash on TikTok tonight. Omario is watching me tonight. Ama Baby is live on Loud Talents TV tonight, this evening. Say is live here. Neep is here. Mejo is watching me. Bassi is watching Kevin Taylor and Ghost Team. Prince is live. Ink Williams and Nikis is also live here on TikTok. On YouTube, Kenneth is watching me. Abdullah is watching me. Tom is live here. Noah is live on YouTube. I can also see Evans. These are all real Ghanaians with real their names and the pictures. It's interesting. I love you, family, and I really appreciate you. I like the way you are real, and the way you guys are here in your real numbers and in your real faces is very, very important. Inti Vietnam one Philippines na mu frame wa ha no. Yesram Ti Punsi enso wa ha. Good evening Ti Punsi. Ene Li Shubu. Ena Bonfa Shwa enso hwe o Bonfa Shwa. Ono so wa ha. Omu nyina gum. Uni baby akọ, this is the only platform Onyankopon kokroko. Watine nim akyere me atine nim akyere Ghana. Atine nim akyere enyansafo Ghana. Agiatum say aha. And God being so good, no, we don't do too much. We don't fight too much. What we do is we try to give you the truth. Into Abaha, you need to understand, say Ghana and then Ukre enti and Yawaha. Dear cousin, you know, forget it is Muslimuka. NDC will be in power for 42 years. God being good, I was part of the people who brought NDC to power. And I'm happy to protect the NDC, say governance, and from what I'm seeing, this is one of the best governance, Ghana. Into NDC will be in power for long. Yet it is Real Madrid. Asante go to go to passes in your center line and the old how was center line ho. Would buy one pass net the net panya nesha ho. Into adding the 38%. Oya hushi 42 years in the moment now. Mwe Jimmy. Everybody Jimmy. Oh my saying gramai. Oh my saying granny. I'm going to see. Mwe Jimmy. Everybody. Jimmy and I'm more positional. Senkane Jimmy and MPP in Kamundu opposition. Jimmy any akenkan na mo adwene be ye na mo badwene senia mo be kekere man no. Jimmy any try with opposition no. Yeah. And as far as me I live on this planet and this will be in power for 42 years. And sa Bibia no betuma sa no. Me eko. I am the news. Se me niwa bebre ndidi. Me niwa bebre nye relevant. Intimacy. The NDC will be in power for 42 years. They also a Berman on for MPP in power. Nobody. So far, it's been like 68 days or 58 days. John Mahama has been in power. And this is 58 days, from what is going on, the Obiadim said John Mahama and NDC on Metina Swache. So far, MPP want to mean Kabibian Ghana for the Omaye. Obu to mean Kabibian or message in your intimate Sramo. Monka Montosh and Shemu Yem Namuntia. Hana Obiatio. O 24 said to Nana Pia Hana or She, only baby ako. Me and Makas on Tenassin, and not Tenassin, me, Uncle Baby. I him for more Ghana, and I'm so Biantina dem no Biancham will be at Tenassi. That is how it works. Because Ukuta no Kura, Ukutanyame, and Ukuta to me. So we control, and we will control forever. There also a Berman on for MPP Mbra power. As far as me, I am here to defend John Mahama and the NDC. Nobody. Nobody. Into the real numbers are here. The real human beings are here. More ATM or radio. So Radio 2 is live. So you can listen to me live on radio. We are also live on TV. So everything is working. Radio is live. You can hear. Yeah, radio is live. We control. We control. Yeah, we control. Radio 2 is live. Into all platforms are live tonight. We are just here to talk about Ghana. The distractions are just distractions. It wouldn't change anything. John Mahama is still president. The NDC are still in power. Nothing can change that. Everybody should stay cool. The fact is here, we are not here to please human beings. We are here to make sure Ghana for no krena edepamo MPP free power. No, we sustain that truth. We sustain that credibility. We fact check the system and we make sure we kill Jandam. That is my calling. Me juma ne se meba na no kore no me de be suppress edien otrofo. So I have used the truth to suppress liars, and I'll keep on using the truth to suppress liars. That is why I control. That is why I am the Abedi Pele of Ghana journalism. I am the El Capitano like Stephen Tornado Apia. You cannot take that away from me. It's a fact. Inti oma wo nyina no, they are real human beings. Nipa anka so me Ghana for asem ehi omo. Mesremo yen spend this bia yen koto bibia aha. Nipa I maybe phone lines no cramp about 2 minutes bia. You will hear real Ghanaians calling from all over the place saying say me sure we free her. Mr. P, Mr. S, should we do a survey? Because you are there listen who any cheap mu akrom for you for. Mr. S, should we do team? Should we do a 5-minute survey to check where people are watching us from? Because it is always important to say hello to your lovely viewers. We are real human beings. Team, do you need a survey or you think we should move on? If you need a 5-minute survey, team, I can give you a survey. And I work with a very professional production team. They are always on alert. They are on standby. They are professionals. I respect them because I respect what they do. My production team are very, very educated, intelligent, smart people. In fact, they are people when you see trust because they are not easy people to come by. Into the respect I have for them, without my production team, I will not be here. That is why when I sit here, every single statement I make, every direction the show goes, I take my producer's advice, and that is what maturity in production is. Journalism is especially TV and radio production is a coordination. It is teamwork. It is you respecting who is behind the camera, Ray, respecting who is behind the sound. It's respecting people who are helping you to be. Because without my production team, I wouldn't be Kevin Taylor. So I always give them that respect. I always let the world understand that I have a good team that is solid. And you can hear from my sound, very, very solid, crisp sound. We have one of the best equipment that you can hear. This is professionalism. This is state of the art equipment. It is not intitimu. It is not sweat. It is not light. It is about even the light we use in the studios here. You could see they are soft lights, and my color looks good. That is professionalism. So I respect my team. I give them all the respect when the time I sit here, and I make them understand that they control what I do here. So team, can I do this? I've gotten a message from my team. They are saying we can do that. Mr. P, should we do a 30-minute survey where everybody is watching us from? Okay, thank you very much. My team say we can do a 30-minute survey where people are watching us from. Let me pick one or two phone calls. Hello, caller. Hello. I'm trying to get the team to be part of today's show. So there be almost so ekasa. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello, caller. All right. So we're going to get everybody on. There are a lot of people on the line, real people from real places with real faces and names. Intimi Pacho. I think my line is jamming right now. Minim. Hello? I know.
Hello, Katie.
Yes. Okatakyie.
You got nerves. You got nerves.
Where are you calling from? What is your name? You are a real human being. We are Nipa.
My name is Nadu Norman.
Thank you very
from
much.
United Kingdom.
Great. I really appreciate your call.
Thank you.
You are a real human. Thank you very much. Na has called us or Nipa onye abuabi now. Yantono or Nipa Nkasa and our show. So, and that's what it shows how committed and honest Ghanaians are, to let people know the truth. Hello, caller. Hello, Obiabe Fre, Obiabe Kasa. I know everybody's itching to speak to Kevin and let the world know. Say, I'm watching Kevin Taylor. It's one of those things. Obiabe Kasa. All right, hello, caller. All right, hello, caller.
Hello, boss.
Yes, sir. Okatakyie.
Because I'm from Seattle, Washington.
Seattle. So you are real, right? You are real. You are human.
Real.
Thank you very much for being part of today's show. I really appreciate the call. Hello, caller. Hello, caller back. Hello, caller. All right, hello, caller. Women now around the world, they are real human beings. These are not liars. These are not from Vietnam. These are human beings who. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hey, boss.
Ukasa free. Papa Sako.
Papa Sako, you kata free Ablekuma Central.
We nipa unfree Vietnam.
Boss.
I dare for you. Kevin, I control. And we control because God is on our side. We will control for a long time. 42 years. Hello, caller. We will control for a very long time. I'm in control. Hello, caller. Let's do it, Nipanyama. You get what I mean? Yeah, I really appreciate your call. Nipashia, Mumi Nipanyama, with all due respect. Hello, caller. Hello. All right, okay, let me pick another caller from here. Hello, caller.
Hello, Jesus Akonta.
From Amsterdam.
Amsterdam, we are Nipa, free Vietnam.
Me Nipa.
Obi doing that now.
David.
All right, thank you very much, Kwame. But Kwame. All right, hello, caller. Hello? All right. Hello, caller. Good evening, Kasa. All right, he's stuck. Hello, caller. Hello? Hello? All right, this caller is not ready. Inti Obia tries to be friend Kevin Akasa. Now I'm maybe I have to say I'm a part of the show. Hello, caller. All right.
Hello, Kevin. This is William from Dublin.
You're calling from Dublin. Thank you very much, William. Thank
Dublin,
you.
Real person.
Real human being. Thank you very much. You are not in Vietnam. Thank you very much. We didn't buy you. Okay. All right. Hello, caller. Hello. All right. This caller is not ready. Inti, so many people on air right now watching me across the world. Hello, caller. Hello. All right. This caller is not ready. Mamifa, another call and free. Hello, caller. Hello. I can see Lola AJ calling. Watching me from Ghana. Thank you very much, Lola, for being here tonight. Obia Eshami. I can also see hello, caller. Hello, Munyabutre. Samoya sa the lines jammed. We were 2 lines working right now, and Samoya Nyabutre. That's Obia tries. These are the 2 lines. It's an international platform, so we have 2 lines working. 1 Ghana line and 1 US line. Mamemfa, let me show you the. All right, where's the Ghana line? Okay, this is the Ghana line. All right, into more, I'm gonna try some of my friend. That's the Ghana line. Mamemfa, call. Hello, caller. All right, I'm gonna me every. Togo, Obi me free Togo. Obi show me every Austria. There are people calling me, watching me from Ghana. People calling from the UK. People watching me from the Netherlands. Obi show me free Accra. Obi say show me free guys. Nepal, Nepal for you show me. Nepal for also share. We are real human beings. We can't lie to you. We have to be honest with you as a Ghanaian. Na yenu di juma. These are real human beings. Hello, caller.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Okatakyie Afrifa.
Ana Ghanaian min Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ghanaian from Abu Dhabi.
Thank you very much. Okay, Ozzy is a Ghanaian from Abu Dhabi. Okay. Kaya can double, but Abu Dhabi. Thank you very much. Hello, caller. Hello. All right. You are jamming my lines. Guys, Munyabutre. Ubia person Kevin Kasa. Ubia person who said, Jack, this platform is real, is legitimate. Every number you are seeing here, we don't rush for. We are doing this. We've been doing this since 2012. And then you started Saturday way. When we're in the trenches, people were eating so we have been doing this for years. And you see, we are the chat. Now unim your way around that. It's easy. It's flexible, it's easy to do. All right, hello caller. Yeah, so on YouTube I can see so we just watching me from Philippines. It's real. It's so funny, And people mwe Jimmy Bruta. Mwe Jimmy Bruta. But see, obia pressure, obia doing kasa yene. We have been doing this for years, and the good thing is, thank you very much, team. I'm not picking any more calls. Right now, you people know say the show. People watching me, everything is real. So we are not picking any more calls. Let's do the show. What we do here, I keep telling Ghanaians to say, the trust you have in this platform, it was our platform, and then I reflect your elections. And this platform will make sure, say, be protected what is good. And there's one thing that I can promise you. So be a Jimmy, with Jimmy. So we didn't we are not going to sit here and cover up anything. And I believe say Kevin Taylor or the Mahama better position for 42 years no. And then the Mahama about power. And I know the Mahama better and this better power 42 years. So what we do here is not going to change. What we do here is still going to be the same. And we will control because for years, Yankwani platform, I produce documents will be able to challenge your documents to date. So the facts are there. Now let's take our business. Very, very important. Forget MP before Amonko. I beg you. I don't need numbers. MP before Amonko. Please, I am begging you. MP before more TikTok. Ewa ha Monko. MP before More YouTube, Miss Remo, Monko. MP before more Facebook, Miss Remo, Monko Nenka Ghana for, Namumo Jimmy Dodo. Please, I beg you, leave the platform and leave Ghanaians. MP before more platform, which Miss Remo, hi, Monko, me pay views, me, I don't want views. I have past views. Inti, MP before more MP before more platforms, Monko. We beg you, me pay 5,000 views on YouTube. I don't need it. Leave. I want it to get to 2,000. I don't need the views. I've been doing this for years. I have seen views. So please, Facebook, MP before more Monko, Nenka Ghana for Omunim Nyansa. Mr. Mwe Jimmy Dodo. Enti MP before Monko, ni endi Ghana Honkomo, because Ghana for person who the ekoso Ghana. That is the most important thing. Enti Mr. Mo, we don't need the numbers. We beg you. Midenyamidi Sremo. Yesu din, Yesu e. Me bom payo kwasi ampanyi bia oya MPP ni o ha wo hwe kunu to twene me se ko o ma obodua MPP foi me se mon ko we don't need it. We want Ghanaians to be here. Yenye ready say ye bezo so mo aso. So we beg you guys should go. Please leave and leave Ghanaians to watch me. Abwache it yesremo ye pesa abwache fo nkwaka mo amunim nyansa mo no monko hi mompamo we don't need any numbers here. We have been doing this for years. We don't need that monko kwasiafo hi monko mo free platforms na monko na yenka Ghana asem mo num kan mo green we a kodim kwasi abofuro de we mo fin a mo gugu abrochire de ga mo free anko na yenka Ghana asem kwasiafo edi kura ma mo 8 years ejimifo agantira ne nkwasi ade na nipa no beku mo pe nipa attention monko efim ho fin Mufia anko mufin why muntie mo ni mutuntum mufia anko na mo mufin na mo because monko na enye show monko na menjene me ho na me numbers am de den me pen numbers bia monko. We promise Ghanaians NDC will win, and we promise Ghanaians NDC will win the elections from the Ashanti region. That is the power God gave me to control you, and I'll control Ghana elections for 42 years. Onyanko Pontiasia Onwiye, I will control and make good MPP. It does not matter how you feel. It does not matter what you say about me. Make good MPP. That is my job. Nyame fra me ba asase we so no ano no. Me be good MPP na ni party foforo. That is my job. In the 2028, meji city manaka 24. Monfanto, me ka chem se meji power free Kumasi. Maji. Mo kan de mo beka nyina medidi otumfo atem medidi asante hima atem mo kan ni nyina magye tumi afri asante message egu party no. I am telling you 42 years you will not come to power again. Enti mo fam Jimmy free platform no so na menya show no na Ghana fo ntie me eni braba aboatwe enti wa wo hwe bibia no we are about to start the show.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No one for my Abuache. You will for Belgium, Belgium, it was the Belgium, it was two Belgium, why you're yet? Why round what? Why you're yet? Why round what? Why you're yet? Why round what? Why you're yet? Super, why round what? It was for Belgium, it was the Belgium, it was two Belgium, why you're yet? Why round what? 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 Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Why round what? Why you're yet? Why round what? I want it. Original. I want to for Belgium, I want to